For anyone that is experiencing a skills shortage, they may want to look at our classes. We offer up to 12 different subjects in the electrical and automation areas. So a supervisor might want to go through there and just see what fits their needs.
SCC classes are an investment for the employees themselves. It develops skills for them to carry on wherever they decide to go, but it also helps the company grow.
They're typically a 3-day class. One of the distinctions maybe is that they're at least 50% hands-on time. So a student gets to really work with this stuff. It's not just abstract theory.
Having a crash course setting for these classes is nice because we don't have to shut down production for any extended amount of time. We just see it as just an investment within the company.
Employers cannot hire enough good people, and so we're trying to fill the gap, really. Take some people with good work ethics and then give them some extra skills that they can take back to the job and perform, and help that employer just to stay productive, safe, and hopefully economically more sound.